Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to make a stir-fried bok choy with shrimp, garlic, ginger, and chili bean sauce. So let's get it done. The first thing we're going to do is we've got the wok heated here. We're going to put in a little avocado oil, which is a neutral oil with a pretty high smoke point. Pardon the fan. And once that's going, and it already is, we'll put in the garlic and ginger. So we just want to do this real fast because we don't want it to burn, because the garlic will be bitter if it burns. All right, you see it's starting to get a little bit of color. I'm going to pull it off the heat just for a second because I forgot to drain the shrimp. So my lovely assistant, which is also my wife, is draining the shrimp right now. And here we are, back with the shrimp. Thank you, lovely assistant wife.
You're welcome.
Okay, so back into here, we're going to pop in the shrimp, and we're just going to get them going to add some good color. One got off. Going to kick the heat back up. Now they're already a little bit pink, but that's because of the type of shrimp that they are. So let's not mistake that as being ready. Just let them get a little bit of color. And while those are coming to get a little bit done, I just wanted to show you this garlic chili sauce. And I never knew about this, and I got this recipe from Sam the cooking guy. So thanks, Sam. I'll put a link to his channel up in the corner here. You got to watch him. He's not only entertaining, but he's a fantastic cook, great recipes, and he's got some really good restaurants in San Diego. So if you're out in the area, you should try him out. I think one is called Gray's, one is called Knock Knock Tacos, and he just opened a burger place. I'm not sure the name of it, but anyway, if you're San Diego, go check it out. Great recipes. So these are cooking. You can see they're getting a little bit different color. They're not as opaque as they were. So still going to let them come a little bit. And once those start to show color, and they're actually getting pretty close now, you don't want to overcook them because they become tough. And I actually don't mind having shrimp a little bit undercooked. They actually are sweet. And if you get them all the way white, you know, they're tough. You don't want to do that. Anyway. Yeah, those are coming nice. A little more flip. And just let those go a little bit more. Okay, those are looking pretty good. So now we want to go in with the baby bok choy. Now what I've done with the bok choy here is I've taken it and cut it up into little pieces. I first took the whole baby bok choy and I quartered it, and then I cut the end off so each piece broke up individually. I like it like that. But I didn't want to cut it down into small pieces like some places do. So let's go in with this and give it a quick stir fry, and it's going to reduce, and then we're going to pop in the chili bean sauce at the last. I use 2 packets because there's 3 of us having dinner, and we all like it. Some of it will jump out. We jump it back in. But this will reduce down. It'll wilt and look really nice. We just go in with another sketch of avocado oil. Avocado oil has a very high smoke point, one reason we use it, and it's also a neutral oil. It doesn't really lend any flavor to the cooking like olive oil and some of the other ones. So if you're cooking something where you want to stir fry in a wok, avocado oil works great. And I'm using an organic avocado oil. You see those are wilting down nicely now. Get it all coated with all that goodness. Bring the shrimp up on top and get the bok choy down in the bottom. That'll help to keep the shrimp from cooking more. There we go. That's looking nice right there. I don't have a wok cooking utensil, so pardon the grill tongs. They're the best I could come up with for getting in here without getting too close to the heat. All right, those are looking great. So let's go in now with the garlic chili paste. I'm just using about 1 tablespoon. It's chili, so it's spicy, but not too. That's good. Even by itself, it's good. And we need just a dash of salt. That's it. I'm using Himalaya pink salt. I don't like to use the iodine salt that you find normal table salt. I think it tastes different. So I use either sea salt or Himalayan salt. I didn't even know there was salt in the Himalayas, but I guess there is, and it's pink. All right, that's about it. That is done and dusted. So let's plate this up, have a quick taste of it, see if it needs it. Actually, let's have a taste now to see if it needs anything. The ginger's good. Honestly, I think it needs a dash more salt and a little bit more chili bean sauce. This is just good stuff, so don't be afraid. This one is Lee Kung Hee chili bean sauce, also called Tobanjan. Got it at the local Asian store here. I think it's called 1004 Gourmet. It's over in the Onyx Tower. They got pretty much everything you can ask for. I'll put a link down below. Alright, we don't want that too much wilted, so let's take another taste. Perfect. Alright, let's plate up. What you see here in the bottom of the wok is really nothing more than water from the bok choy. The bok choy has a ton of water in it, so when it's wilting, it cooks out. So there you go. Baby bok choy sauteed with garlic, ginger, and chili bean sauce. So we're going to have this for dinner along with a beautiful Asian style roast chicken, which I have under the foil here, and we're going to cut that in a few minutes. I hope it's really good. It smelled fantastic when it was cooking, and I'll put some pictures of everything at the end of this video. So if you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below, and until next time, bon appetit.